Smart. Stylish. Move-in ranch. Level up to this immaculate 2-bedroom, 1-bath ranch, updated for the way you live today and elevated feel without the fuss. The kitchen features granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, recessed lighting, and smart storage drawers. Is perfect for weeknight meals or hosting friends with ease. Dining area flexes beautifully as a work-from-home zone, dining space, or cozy lounge. Inside, rich flooring flows through the main living areas. The refreshed full bath brings clean, modern finishes, while main-level laundry with a stacked washer/dryer keeps everyday living simple and efficient. Step outside and the vibe shifts to unwind mode. A massive, fenced yard with patio space is ready for summer nights, small gatherings, pets, gardening, or a quiet reset after a long day. The oversized 2.5-car garage gives you room for your car, your gear, and everything else that comes with an active lifestyle. No surprises here. This home has been thoughtfully updated so you can move in and live. If you're looking for a home where the big things are already done, so you can focus on your career, your social life, and actually enjoying your space, this is it. Updates include: front door, 2021, kitchen, 2021, lighting, 2021, crawl space improvement, 2021, stacked washer/dryer, 2022, interior water lines, 2022, electrical, 2022, privacy fence, 2023, windows, 2023, HVAC, 2020, roof, 2020, water heater, 2020, sealed driveway, 2026, refreshed full bath, 2025. Lombard, near trails, parks, and everyday connections, this home delivers the balance: peaceful when you want it, connected when you need it. This is how home should feel.